This video will show you how to replace the brake lamp switch on a GMC Sierra 2500. This will be located under the driver's side dash. Let's get into it. Okay friend, let's get started on our job. The first thing we want to do is make our way safely under the driver's side dash. We're looking for where the brake pedal is. Follow the brake pedal rod all the way up, and this is where you're going to find the brake lamp switch. As we make our way up, we can see where the brake lamp switch is. We do have an electrical connector. We're going to disconnect that first. Now for this electrical connector, it does have a locking tab. I'm going to squeeze that in with my index finger here. We should be able to pull this out of place. Every time you disconnect an electrical connector, just take a peek. If you see any funny colors, it's corrosion. It would need to be dealt with. We're making our way up here next. In this area, we have a 10mm mounting bolt. Let's go ahead and remove that next. We will have to clean this, and then of course we are going to apply blue thread locker to it during the installation process. For now, let's go ahead and set that aside. Now you're going to find that you have a metal clip holding this in place. We're going to remove that next. For this, I'm just using a small pocket screwdriver. You could also use a pick. This part is a little bit difficult to see. You could use a mirror if necessary. Just coming right up along the top area here, we should be able to flex this. And then it should want to slide out of place once you get it moved far enough. There we are. Now for this metal clip, I pulled away on the outside and then I slid it. If you were looking at the base of this clip, you can tell that it is slotted. Now we should be able to take hold of this. Carefully work it out of position. There it is, friend. Prior to installation of any brand new part, clean and inspect the mounting area. We want to double check to make sure nothing's rotted, weak, or damaged in this area. This is looking good. Now it's time for installation of the brand new brake switch. Now when we go to get this in position, we want to make sure we have it in the proper orientation. The area with the slot is going to face up against towards where the brake pedal rod is. So we're sliding this into position. Now we'll go ahead and line things up here. This should all want to slide right together. Now that we have that on there, the next thing we're going to do is continue on with our locking clip. The locking clip needs to be properly seated. This is a safety concern. Line it up, press it on there as far as possible. We'll give this a wiggle. Make sure nothing comes apart. It should not come apart. All right, so now that we have that installed, let's continue on with our mounting bolts. I've used some blue thread locker on this. We're not using any red thread locker. Let's turn this in till it's bottomed out. The torque for this will be 89 inch-pounds. Not much room under here. We definitely torqued everything in position. Let's double check to make sure it's secured in place, and we'll continue on with our electrical connector next. Continue on to our electrical connector next. Just line up the locking tab area, press it in, we'll listen for a click. After our audible click, a light tug. Now while we're under here, just one last quick inspection. Everything looks good. We can make our way out from under the dash. Okay friend, we finished the installation. Now the next thing we want to do is put the key in the on position and test the functionality of the brake lamp switch. That's done with the key in the on position. Press on the brake pedal and double check to make sure all of the brake lamps work as they should. Aside from that, thanks for watching.
When only the best will do, demand TRQ. The only company that lets you view before you do. TRQ is committed to offering the highest quality aftermarket auto parts that are engineered for peace of mind. Thanks for using and viewing with TRQ.